working on this Rolls-Royce Phantom. I want to show some work progress, and of course some haters will hate what I installed here, but anyway, it's funny. So it's a pretty much E65 E66 car, BMW 7 Series, but of course there are differences. For example, we did this nice screen, and that's why you pay more, and I fixed it. It was a pain in the ass. Everything is working good right now. We had to fix the screen. The few transistors died in there, and this way we saved like $2,000. Okay, it's another part. Our gear shifter went bad, and you can see it's a 7 Series gear shifter right now, and it doesn't look too bad actually. The good thing about it that it's working. I mean, don't worry about those errors because everything is disconnected. The airbag is loose, that's why airbag is on. But the good thing about it that the thing doesn't work. See, it's drive, see, it's neutral, see, it's reverse, and we even have the camera. Camera is kind of slow. Oh, actually, no, don't worry about the camera because it disconnected. The fiber optic network disconnected, that's why it's not working. Other than that, this switch doesn't look too bad. What do you think? It's a E65 gear shifter instead of original one. Let me show you. Original one looks like just like this type. I think this type looks pretty cool. Let me know what you think. That's about it. Everything works. Press the button and it goes to park. Man, really cool. Plus it has the display here as well, which is also kind of nice, I would say, because the original doesn't have it. That's about it. The rest of the stuff is working in the car. The parking brake sensor, parking brake module needs to be rebuilt, but I have problems removing it, as I said previously. All right.